Hey everybody, my name's Alan Grosshider, and I'm the CEO of Blue222. I wanted to give you a quick demo of how any company that has a need to manage contractors for real estate inspections can use Blue222 for free. Our clients include banks, engineering firms, real estate brokers, home inspection companies, and any other kind of company that needs to manage appraisers, environmental inspectors, building inspectors, and any other type of real estate inspection vendors. To sign up for Blue222 is really simple. You just click here on sign up, and then you fill out this short form. There's 3 pages, and each of them is about that long. So it's a very simple sign up process, and there's no cost to be on the system. There's no cost to sign up. When you log into your account, you will land in your dashboard, and you can see all of the projects that your organization has running in one place, and it's sorted very easily. Draft RFPs, when you click on the column, you pull up your draft RFPs, pending RFPs, active projects, projects completed. Very simple, and you can share projects with anybody you want to in your organization. There's a manage users section that you can go to, and I'm not going to dig deep into all of the bells and whistles in this demo. I'm just going to show you the basics. It's really easy when you're ready to, first, if you want to import your preferred vendors. If you already have some vendors, you can click Invite Vendors and put the email addresses for all of your vendors in there, or upload them with an Excel file, and then invite them, and they will receive an invitation to sign up for Blue222. It's also a very simple sign-up process for them, and then they are in your list of preferred vendors, which will show up here. If you want to search for vendors that are already in the system, you can click on Preferred Vendors, Invite Vendors, put in the type of service that you're looking for, put in the zip code that you're looking for, and do a search, and it will pull up all of the available, and these are fake. This isn't our fake server, but it'll pull up all the available vendors, their reviews, and you can click on their name and see the documents that they put in, their bio, their resumes, whatever they put in. And you can start to choose vendors that are already in the system if you would prefer to do that, or if you want to add to your current list of vendors. When you're ready to post a project, you just click on Post New Project, and you can select single project or multiple project, and I won't get into all of the details on multiple projects, but we have modules built in that would allow you to manage entire portfolios of work. But the simplest way is just click Single Project, and there's a simple form that you fill out that is pretty standard information for a real estate transaction. So here's one that's already filled out. Again, just standard information. We have Google Maps built in, so you can check out your site if you need to. You can even drill down to the street level, make sure that your property is in the right location. You can attach documents that show more about your property. You can even build in global documents that are stored in your account that you can drop into each project if you need to put checklists or things like that in there. Then you click Continue, and it's going to ask you to double check and make sure that everything looks good. Then you click Pick Vendors, and the system is going to search for all of the available vendors that are in the area of your property. It's going to show you their capabilities, make sure that it matches the capabilities that you were looking for. And if they are a preferred vendor, it's going to show you that, if you've already built them in as a preferred vendor. And if you only want to see your preferred vendors, you can just check that box. And when you're ready, you click Continue. The system's going to let you know that you're getting ready to launch an RFP. And when you click Submit, the system is going to send an email and a text to each of your vendors requesting that they bid on the project. Now, as your vendors respond, they'll show up down here. You scroll down, you have an activity overview that shows you everything that has happened on that RFP and eventually project. When you click here, you can see who you invited. If you need to double check their reviews, you can do that. Double check their information, and you can see the proposals as they come in. So now you see the costs come in. If they've attached a document, you can view that and decide who you want to hire. And then when you click the accept button, the system is going to automatically send an email and a text to all of these people that you invited to send an RFP, and it's going to let them know yes, they got the job, or no, they didn't get the job. Now, once that becomes an approved job, it simply moves into the active projects column. And when you open up that job, you have a project file where you can share documents with your vendor. You can share Google Drive links or Dropbox links or whatever you want to with the vendors. And there's also a message center. You can keep all of your messages in one place. Every time you send a message to that vendor, it's going to show up by email and text. And then you have a running list there, a place where you can keep all of your communications in one place, and then activity overview all in one place. It even shows when documents are attached and those sorts of things. And then when you're done, you click Project Complete. You put in a review for that contractor, and you're done. The project moves into the completed projects column. So it's a very simple, but it's a very powerful system that allows you to get your arms around all of your real estate inspection projects. If you're a single individual and you want to manage projects all over the country, you can use Blue222. If you are a bank and want to put your entire organization on Blue222 to manage all of your inspections, you can do that. So it's really simple, really powerful, helps you become much more efficient at managing real estate inspection projects. And as I mentioned, there's no cost. We make our money by charging a small transaction fee to the vendor when you click the Approve button, and it's based on their fee amount that you agree to. It's 4% of their fee amount up to $350 plus 0.2% for everything over $350. So it ends up being somewhere around $14 or $15 more if it's a much larger project. But it's a very small, reasonable fee, and it is spread out to all of your vendors, and you don't pay a dime to use the system. You can choose, if you go into your accounting tab, you can choose to have the fees come to you, but the typical way that people use the system and the default setting is that it goes out to the vendors. So it's a free, very powerful system that you can use to manage all of your real estate inspections locally, regionally, or even globally. So you can sign up right now by just clicking the sign up link, or from the front page of the website, if you click Learn More, you can sign up for a free system demo, and we can walk you through everything and show you how everything works and see if it would be something that would work well for you. We look forward to working with you. Contact us at any time, and we're happy to help.